Is this the calm before the storm for Britain's car market? The courts will soon decide on a big mis-selling case that could hit the accelerator on billions of pounds in compensation, and some of the country's biggest banks are on the hook.
So here's what's going on. Most cars in this country are bought on finance. So a dealer arranges a loan for the buyer, who then pays that back each month plus interest. Now, many of these dealers were paid a commission from the banks to sell the loans without the buyer's knowledge. And it's this lack of transparency that's now a problem.
It's really upsetting because you put your trust in these companies and you just don't expect to be so misled and taken advantage of, really. It's figures, it's small print, it's buried in there somewhere. And I don't think the average person would spot that.
In a shock ruling last year, the Court of Appeal said it was illegal for car dealers to be paid this commission without the consent and knowledge of buyers. Today, the Supreme Court will have the final say.
So it's hugely significant for normal people who buy cars in this way. The Supreme Court's looking at the secrecy of commissions, whether a commission has to be fully disclosed in order to be kept by the lenders, or whether a partial disclosure is enough. And this has ramifications not just for motor finance, but also to a whole host of other areas of economic life.
The judgment could have massive ramifications, not just for the car industry, but across the economy.
It will have a chilling effect on banks' ability to finance other things. And I think it raises a lot of questions about finance all throughout the consumer and business areas. We just start thinking about picking apart all kinds of transactions that we take for granted. And if we're going to have an active legal system to do that, it's going to make the financial services business a lot less efficient.
The government is worried that the decision could spread to other types of finance too, for appliances or furniture, for example. So worried that it is now considering whether to intervene to overrule the court. Gurpreet Narwan, Sky News.